For Adrian's haircut, we're doing a mod mullet or modern mullet. Adrian likes the look of a mullet, but doesn't want the feeling of one. So we go tighter to the head shape in the back and a little bit longer on top, but we cut in texture and take some length off. Your standard pomade is really used for your more classic looks like a slick back, a pompadour. In this case, we're using a mullet. You can definitely use it for any kind of high shine, higher hold look. Yeah, it gives it that classic shine that a lot of pomades have. So we just used standard pomade, now we're using texture powder. They're not typically used together, but here we're going to show you how you can go from a high hold, high shine look to a looser, undone, textured look.